Hey guys, it's Tibbs and Hot Rod and Chips, either way you want it. We're here again today to do myths on GTA. Today we're going to do about a myth called the exploding vehicles. Apparently, in this one car parking space on the other island, we'll be investigating both, will we, Chips? Or is it just this one?
No, we'll be investigating both, I think, today.
Okay then. Are we gonna end this episode after another one and make another one, or is it gonna be a 2-in-1?
2-in-1.
Alright then. So this one is about the exploding vehicle, like I said already. Apparently, if you park a Buffalo over there,
Any car,
then it blows up.
Right, so here we are.
We ain't done anything. We just
Why?
we haven't done anything to the car. We just parked it over there, didn't we, Chips?
Yeah, we've done this before and it does explode, so.
Right, so we're gonna get.
Whoa! Whoa. I didn't. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, that guy wants to punch him for some reason. Alright, we're gonna. Shall we go to the other location now, Chips?
Yeah, what the hell just happened?
No idea. I think it blew up.
No, I don't think that's it. Okay, so that's one of them done. We need some time to get to the car park, so we're gonna end it there. We're not gonna end it there, we're just gonna get to the car park and talk about other things. Let's just go to a random car park, see if we can laugh as well. So here's another. There's another car park.
Yeah, there's it. Oh, well, I heard there's some that don't actually explode.
Really?
Yeah, some car parks don't even explode. Do you want to get your car out there and try it out?
It's time we're using a Super GT.
Roger that.
Yeah. Just gonna park the car literally in here. You never know where this is going to go. Turn my engine off, like Hot Rod taught me. And we're going to just talk a little bit more about this myth. Would you like to talk about it, Hot Rod?
Well, I've heard rumours that some cars don't explode in certain car parks.
So you're telling me that if I put an FBI Buffalo in one, it wouldn't explode unless I put a GT.
Yeah.
That's a bit weird, ain't it?
Yeah.
Could this be terrorist attacks by any chance?
I don't think so.
Because everyone knows.
Actually, James, would you excuse me a second? I just gotta go take care of something.
Right. Sean! Come here, mate. Come on.
Wait, Shawnee, you're not allowed on that bed until you save me. Yes, she's going to.
Put that up.
Go!
Lucas, put that up.
What where?
So put it up.
I know, field.
Have you? Alright guys,
Why don't we put it?
put it?
No, put it.
Alright, so yeah, so that's basically this myth, so goodbye.
And I guess that's really it so far. So I guess we'll end it here.
We're going for a toilet break.
Yeah, so it's a pretty short video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe today. Please leave a comment and a like. We really enjoyed your comments, so please become a subscriber. Like I said, we really need subscribers. So, and that's just what I'm saying. We're out!